Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a black color checkbox in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option and scroll down. Here we will find this Prepare From option. Select and click on this checkbox icon and download checkboxes and click right button for Properties. Select and select Appearance option and select here border color. I'll choose black color. Line thickness, I'll choose medium. Now select text color, that means text symbol color. I can choose a red here, I'll choose a black, already selected black. And now select option and select here diamond and colors and preview and see this black check boxes box already added. I'll add another checkbox and click right button for properties, appearance and option and choose a check and preview and see this. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.